I think they will. So there's probably 15 or 20 different kinds of washer boxes out there. This one's from about the 90s. It's a Jamco. I've already loosened these up. Some of them are soldered, you can't unscrew them, some of them are. But if you look at this one, it's got a nut here and then there's threads. So it's going to unscrew counterclockwise. You're going to grab a hold of that bottom nut, and then however you can grab a hold of this one. Those threads don't matter because they'll replace it. So it's fairly simple. The main thing is you want to make sure this bottom one does not move, because if it does, you're going to be twisting the water line in the wall and you're going to be cutting a hole in the wall. Of course, we've got the water shut off, and we opened it at a faucet, outside water spigot, and at another faucet to help drain the pressure off. You can either use a pipe sealant or a Teflon tape. We're putting in quarter turn valves. Sometimes these won't screw all the way around, but it looks like in this one there's enough room in the box. So, and then we took it out counterclockwise, then we're going to go back in clockwise. You could have took these other valves apart and put rubbers in them, but who knows how long it would have lasted. Sometimes it's just as easy to replace it and be done with it. And of course, make sure that thing turns off and on, and we're good. This one looks a little different because when they pulled their washer hose, the rubber got stuck behind. If you do use Teflon, you're going to want to look down at your threads and wrap the Teflon on there clockwise, and you're going to tear it that way. If you go the other way, when you start to screw it in, it's going to spin this Teflon off and may or may not leak. This side's a little tighter than the other. If you go inside your water heater closet and you're having problems figuring out where your shutoff valve is to shut this off, look at another video or to put another one on there to kind of give you an idea of what valves you can turn off and on.